What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, and today we're gonna check out a 3D object that I just created and put it online. So yeah, it took me like maybe 2 hours to create, so it's not that complex. So now we can see how it looks. Let's go to wireframe mode so you can see that's how it is. Easy as that. So basically it's combined with 3 basic stuff. One is the handle. Let me select it right here. So yeah, it's a bit complex. I'm gonna use the edit mode, so I select a few dots as you can see how it's created, and I just cut them in 4 or 3 ways so it can sharp a bit, and then I just combine them together. And the next one is this part, that's like a top part of the handle. So yeah, it basically have 2 lines inside. You can see I use the basically two rounded triangles to make the holes inside, and the top part is the blade. So I use some cool technique. I use this one, basically same triangles, but I just destroy them inside so it makes hole, and yeah, it seems cool and so on. So if we go into the shading mode, we can see how it actually looks when you have it. So it's kinda cool. It's sharp, obviously. Otherwise, that's a wooden handle, so you can hold it if you'd like to. Some sort of metal or plastic separator. Yeah, and that's the blade inside. So you have to apply the textures, and as you can see, the blade is shiny, it reflects the light. So it's like a real one. Maybe you can use it in games or whatever you'd like. It's simple as that. Let's go back to a layout mode. So yeah, it's not that complex, but when you're creating it takes a lot of time. So that's my website, nejcfilipič.com, and I go into the shop here and I created a new section for 3D objects. When you click it, okay, so here we are, that's my 3D objects. So we have this knife. Right now it's $2.50, so it's extremely affordable if you're making games or maybe movies and so on. So yeah, I have some pictures of it, then wireframe, and yeah, basically you get the object file and the Blender itself file, so you can like edit it if you'd like to change something, otherwise for description and so on. So yeah, actually I added this to my website, so you have grenade and keyboards. So those are more my past models that I created by myself actually. So basically, just if you go on my website, you can access it, or that's a website called Turbo Squid, and I think if you type my name, it will just hit, yeah, it's basically, it will hit my object. So yeah, it's cool. That's basically it. My name is Nejc Filipič, guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.